This is Travis, IT support for InterNACHI, and today I'll show you how to log in to your members-only forum. If you've ever tried to log into the forum using your email address and password, you might see that you have issues logging in. Instead of using your email address, the forum requires you to log in with your InterNACHI username. As you can see, switching my email address out for my username allows me to log in successfully and begin asking questions on the members-only forum. If you're unsure of your InterNACHI username, you can head to your dashboard, go to the Settings tab, and then update your profile. Once on this page, you can head down to this blue box and find your InterNACHI username. Thanks for joining us for this InterNACHI how-to video, and for support, feel free to reach me at travis@internachi.org.